buyersguide.com and traditionalarcherybows.com, or Scorpion Swords and Knives. The design is full Tang, my idea of an American version of a katana. Solid one piece of steel, shorter than a katana, but wider and stronger. The measurements on this will be 37 7/8 inches. The blade will be 24.5 inches. Blade thickness is 3/16 all the way through. Handle is 13 inches plus, and the point of balance is about 1.5 inches from the actual guard. The weight is 3 pounds and 4 ounces, and I'm going to do a complete review, testing, cutting test, destructive test to see exactly how much abuse one of my designs can take. If it can't handle it, we'll redesign it. So stay tuned. Thank you guys. Hello, Jason Woodard here. I'm about to start my review and cutting test to see how my new Doomsday line, the first sword in this new series of swords, can actually hold up. This is just a standard cutting test on traditional mats to see how it actually cuts. So here we go. As you can see, it's nice and sharp. And then just at the beginning of my review, I will test this on a lot harsher test all the way to destroy it if I can. If it fails, we'll redo it, so stay tuned. Test cut went so well, I'm going to see if I can cut through 2 mats at the same time. So here we go. As you can see, it's got a very sharp blade. Cutting test on 3 jugs of fluid. Here we go. Red, white, and blue, made in America. Oh yeah, baby. Very sharp edge. Continuing my testing. The new Doomsday sword, the first one in the series. Cutting test on a 4x4 to see how it cuts and if it can handle it. Here we go. Whew. You can see no edge damage, and it cut right through it. We'll continue my testing. Testing my new sword design, the Doomsday Line Katana style design, to see how well it can perform and how much abuse it's going to take. Cutting on some wood. So here we go. As you can see, of course, it's one piece of steel, full tang, no bending, nothing came loose, handle's good and tight, no damage. I will continue my review. Couple of downward thrusts. No damage. I will continue my review. Alright, continue my destructive testing on my new Doomsday sword, Katana. I'm going to run over with a tow motor to see if it can withstand the pressure, the weight. No damage, no bending, still straight. I will continue my testing. Alright, one more torture test on my new Doomsday Line Katana sword to see how it holds up getting run over by a tractor trailer, semi-truck. So here we go. No real damage, blade is still straight, holding up very well. Jason Woodard here, continuing my review and destructive test on my new sword design, from the Doomsday Line. This is sword number 1, full tang sword. Test cutting on metal pole to see how it withstands it, see if it can hold up. Doesn't appear to be any edge damage, slight scuffing, nothing that can't be buffed out. But the blade is still straight, still solid, no edge rolling. I will continue my review and destructive testing. Jason Woodard again, continue my destructive testing on the new Doomsday Line sword I designed. Cutting test against a 55-gallon drum to see how it holds up. So here we go. Some minor scuffing of the blade, heating against steel, but can be buffed out. Edge did not roll. I will continue my test and review, so stay tuned. Alright, continuing my destructive testing on the new Doomsday sword to see how the tip actually holds up stabbing through a steel barrel. Stay tuned. Here we go. No serious damage to the edge. Tip is still good. Went through that steel barrel several times. I will continue my destructive testing. Okay, so what are you getting? Testing my Doomsday sword, my design, my version of a katana versus a cheap katana. Let's see how that holds up. Steel versus steel. You can see no real edge damage, slight scuffing, sign of excellent tempering. Now, let's look at the katana on the table, or what's left of it. Three good gashes. Bent the blade pretty good. Of course, this is a cheap katana, but I just wanted to show steel on steel. I know it's a junk katana, but held up very well. Stay tuned. Alright, just for shits and giggles, I'm going to strike with the sword a few more times. Doomsday sword, destructive tip. Let's see how much use it takes. It's already damaged. Cheap line versus the real sword. Shows you how good the tempering is. No serious edge damage, no rolling, a few scuffs. But it held up well against the cheap wall hanger junk sword. Let's look at it. Here's what's left of this cheap ass wall hanger sword. Oh. Junk. That's why you want a real sword and not a wall hanger. You can actually use these, especially if the zombie apocalypse comes or doomsday. Stay tuned, more testing coming. Finishing up my destructive test on one of my new designs from the new line of swords, the Doomsday. Striking against concrete to see if it can withstand it. Blade is still straight. Took some minor edge damage, but nothing that can't be buffed out and resharpened. Held up, full Tang course. Still straight, didn't break. I will have one more destructive test and then give my final thoughts. Opening up my harsh testing on my new Doomsday line, striking it against granite. See if it withstands. Here we go. Blade is still straight. Damage is dead. The edge is damaged, but it can still be buffed down. Blade is still straight. It withstood all my harsh testing. I will give my final thoughts on the Doomsday sword. More designs coming. Sword again. Bonus vid. A few more strikes on my new Doomsday Katana on the granite at dark. There we go. Here's the edge. No rolling. It did damage the edge, but it's nothing I can't grind down and make sharp again. Still tight. Nothing came loose because it's full tang. One of my designs. If you want one of these, they're going to be at theswordbuyersguide.com and traditionalarcherybows.com, better known as Scorpion Swords and Knives. Thank you for watching. Hello, Jason Woodard here with my final thoughts on my harsh testing of one of my own designs, my version of a katana, in a new line of swords we're going to call the Doomsday line, exclusively available at theswordbuyersguide.com and traditionalarcherybows.com, or better known as Scorpion Swords and Knives. This is my version of a katana, full tang steel, longer grip, shorter blade, but wider blade, so it's extremely tough. I've run it through a lot of harsh testing, striking jugs first, then traditional mats. I have struck it against wood, a metal pole, a 55-gallon drum. I have struck it against a 440 stainless cheap wall hanger katana. I've actually run over it with a pair of my tow motors weighing 8,000 pounds and one of my tractor trailers weighing 17,000 pounds. I then struck it against concrete and then granite. It is held up, it didn't break. The most damage to the blade actually came from striking the concrete and especially the granite more than anything. It's nothing that can't be polished down. These will be exclusive swords and there will be other Doomsday line swords coming soon. It's held up well, didn't break. It's Jason Woodard tough. So thank you guys for watching this review.